Clearbrow, North Dallas, finishing up another 2021 Model Y. Full wrap, XPEL Ultimate Plus, full tint with XPEL XR Plus, full windshield, all the doors, cargo area, and full moonroof. We'll go over the bra. Normal practices for us is to remove this, wrap all the edges. I'll still get a fair number of people that just have to ask if we do that, and we do. This here edge is wrapped around the backside, and the front wrapped around the back. All this is wrapped in. There are some areas that are debatable. People have brought to my attention, like wrapping in this area. It just depends at times. I look the best I can behind it to see if the paint is back there. It has to have some paint. It can't stick to an unfinished metal area. This is where the A-pillar meets the fender. Your mirrors, we get these all the way to the edge, all the way around here. Oops, sorry, all the way around this edge and around this edge. Your A-pillars get wrapped inside here all the way back, and there really isn't much of an edge. We have wrapped in there, and just sometimes it doesn't give us the life we like. It likes to kind of peel back. It's hard to wrap PPF on a radius. That's the edge of the A-pillar into the molding. Moving along, doors, no problem, fully wrapped in, all four edges, even underneath the belt molding by the window. That's all wrapped in. Inside your door handles, debatable. Wrapping those in, sometimes they start to flare up on these tight corners. Remember, it's an 8 mil thick product, so it is hard for it to stick in a radius like that. Coming around to the back door, fully wrapped. The rear quarter panel is fully wrapped. Coming into the charging port, fully wrapped in. It's a white car, so we don't want any lines. We get rid of every possible line we can. Fully wrapped, all wrapped in on this trunk lid. The bottom all wrapped in from the rear quarter. Down below, everything's wrapped inside the trunk area. I'll show you that, wrapped underneath that. All this wrapped in here, all the way through the sill. It wraps all the way to the end. And up here's all wrapped. Up here's all wrapped in. Coming around this rear quarter, all wrapped. And then much of the same thing on this side. So there it is, Tesla Model Y 2021 XPEL Ultimate Plus with the XR Plus, with a ceramic coating over the top for the extra slickness and durability from that sun. So there you go. Clearbrow, North Dallas. If you need us, clearbrownorthdallas.com or 214-414-3809 extension 0. Thank you very much.